Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some story type problems of linear equation. Step 1. How to solve them? Assign variables x and y. Form pair of linear equations. Solve linear equations if there is a unique solution. Example 1. 10 students of class 10 took part in maths quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls. How to do this question? We consider the number of boys as x and number of girls as y. There are 10 students taking part in maths quiz, so x plus y should be equal to 10. This is the first equation. Number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Y is equal to x plus 4. Y is more, x is less. Substituting the value of y in x, we get from second equation in first. Put value of y x plus 4 over here. We get x plus 4 is equal to 10. 2x, 4 comes this side. 2x is 6, x is 3. Now we know that y is x plus 4. Put value of x equal to 3. We get value of y is 7. So the number of boys is 3 and the number of girls is 7. Example 2. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Find their present ages. Let the present age of Jacob is x and his son is y. 5 years ago, Jacob was x minus 5 and son was y minus 5. Relation was Jacob was 7 times his son. X minus 5 is 7 times y minus 5. 7y minus 35. 7y this side minus 5 this side. First equation is x minus 7y equals minus 30. 5 years hence, Jacob becomes x plus 5, son becomes y plus 5. Relation is Jacob is 3 times his son. Multiply 3y plus 15, 5 this side and 3y that side. So the second equation is x minus 3y equals 10. Solve these first two equations, writing them together, change the sign. You get 4y 40, y 10. Put the value of y in any of the equations by choice. Let us put it in second equation. The value of x is 40, age of Jacob is 40 years and age of his son is 10 years. The sum of two-digit numbers, example 3, and the number obtained by receiving the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. We know a two-digit number like 23, 32. It can be written as 10 multiplied by tens digit and 1 multiplied by unit digit. X is tens digit and y is unit digit. The reverse is 10y. X and y change their places. 10y plus x. For example, 23 and 32. 3 comes in place of 2 and 2 comes in place of 3. This is reverse. Number and reverse have sum 66. 10x plus y, 10y plus x is 66. 11x plus 11y is 66. Divide throughout by 11. We get x plus y is 6. This is the first equation. The numbers differ by 2. That is x minus y is 2. This is the second equation. First and second equation, we write them together. Cancel y. 2x is 8. X is 4. Put the value of x is equal to 4 in the first equation. X plus y equal to 6. We get y is 2. So the number becomes 10x plus y. Put the value of x 4 and y 2. The number becomes 40 plus 2, 42. The two-digit number is 42. We have two possible answers of this, 24 and 42. In example 4, a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Find the speed of the stream and the boat in still water. We consider the speed of the boat in still water as x kilometers per hour and speed of stream is y kilometers per hour. Speed of the boat upstream is, since when it goes upstream, the stream is opposing the flow of motion, we take it x minus y. When it is going downstream, the speed of stream is also added with the speed of boat. So it becomes x plus y. The boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Using the formula time is equal to distance upon speed, time to go 30 kilometers upstream is 30 upon x minus y. Time to go 44 kilometers downstream is distance upon speed 44 upon x plus y. Total time t1 and plus t2 is 10 hours. So 30 upon x minus y, 44 upon x plus y is 10. Now 44 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in second case, in 13 hours, t1 40 upon x minus y, t2 55 upon x plus y, t1 plus t2 is 13. We have the equation 40 over x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to 13. We are getting the two equations. Now we will solve these equations. How do we solve these equations? 1 over x minus y we consider as u, 1 over x plus y as v. This equation will become 30u plus 44v equals to 10. And the second equation becomes 40u plus 55v is equal to 30. This is the second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations. How do we solve? The first equation is multiplied by 4, second equation is multiplied by 3. And then we change the signs. You can see. We get the value of v, 1 over 11. Put the value of v in the first equation. You get the value of u, 1 over 5. Once you get u and v, 1 over x minus y is equal to 1 over 5. 1 over x plus y, 1 over 11. X plus y is 11. X minus y is 5. We again have to solve for x and y. We get, add them, y and y cancel out. X plus y becomes 16. X plus x is 16, that is 2x is 16, x is 8. X is 8 is equated in the first equation, 8, and this it comes this side, 11 minus 8, 3. X is 8, y is 3. Speed of boat in still water is 8 kilometers per hour and speed of stream is 3 kilometers per hour. I am also giving you some questions to practice at home. From the exercise, you can do any type of story type problem now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.